Man, good morning, San Antonio. We're here at 614 Iowa Street. I don't know if you remember, but remember we had to tear it down, knock it down, and rebuild it back up, baby. Look at that final product. So we're gonna go in here and talk about some things that we've been going on. If you remember back in our last episodes that we were doing, we always talk about the framing, the installation, the electrical, the plumbing, all those type of things that we had to do to get this thing up and going. But man, this house has turned out great. Come on inside. Man, we're at the point of this house where, we got the landscaping getting ready to go on. You see we got the gate up, but we're gonna go inside, like I said, and we're gonna show the people what we're doing in here. Give you a good idea of what's going on, give you a good walkthrough. You know, as always, we always talk about the electrical, the plumbing, the HVAC, and we talk about the permits and everything. So, you know, a lot of times people cover up these walls. You know how we do it. We don't cover up anything until the city comes, give us our green tags, and we can move forward. But we're in the living room. We got the dining room. We got a nice open floor, and this is in the kitchen. But if you notice, if you look at these, get close, man. Look at this framing. This framing is all done. You see we got all the electrical. If you look on the ceilings and everything, we got all the lights. We got the AC coming out. We got the plumbing over here. You know, so everything is being done the correct way on this house. And remember, I always say it's very important that you dot your I's and cross your T's in what we're doing. But anyway, we got upstairs, we got downstairs, and I want to show you a view of this house. Come on up. We're gonna go upstairs, and I'm gonna show you why I built this house. And I'm also gonna show you why this is one of the most spectacular places in San Antonio. We're walking into the living area upstairs, but this is what I want to tell you. San Antonio is a beautiful city. San Antonio is one of those hidden cities that a lot of people don't know about, but the view from this house of San Antonio is outrageous. Let me show you. We're gonna walk out to the deck upstairs and see San Antonio. This is the view from that house. It's crazy. So, can you imagine from this house, 4th of July, New Year's, it just gives somebody a great appreciation and the love of San Antonio. But this is why we built this house, and the view shows it all. So we're gonna go back inside. Again, this is upstairs. We've already passed our electrical for our rough end, and what that means is they give us the approval to move on to the next step. Plumbing, we've already passed the plumbing. Now the HVAC is going in. This is a brand new system. So we're just waiting to pass for the city to come out and pass it. And once we pass that, then we'll come out, the city will come back out, and they'll do an inspection with all the, for all the trades and everything, and then we can start putting the sheetrock on. But it's a beautiful house, man. This is a beautiful house. So let's go back downstairs, guys, and we're gonna talk a little bit about what kind of layout we got here, and then we'll be able to see everything we got. So San Antonio, you really thought we were going somewhere, man? We're here to stay. That pandemic is nothing, man. San Antonio is a growing, thriving city, and I just want everybody to know, man, we love you. We want everybody to be safe, and we want everybody to do the things that they need to do to get everybody back on track. But this house is, it's been a great project. It's been a good project. And the crew's just gonna walk around, show you a little bit about the stuff. We're gonna get some good pictures on the outside, and we're gonna move on to the next deal. San Antonio, we're back.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're over here at 2302 East Houston Street. Another project getting ready to be started. We're starting doing all the demo, and we got some stuff going on inside. So once we'll get all that demo and everything, we'll bring you guys back in. But I want you guys to remember, don't forget to follow us. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Again, that's KeithJonesRealEstate.com. I'm telling you, all the stuff that's going on in San Antonio, we're back, and we're gonna start doing all these projects and get it back going. And you know, we're excited. We're excited to see you guys. Look forward to seeing you. So my guys are up here right now. We're taking off the roof of the metal roof. Hey guys! And you know that roof is old, so we're gonna replace all this. We're gonna replace all the boards. We already started doing the addition. They're doing some demo inside, so we don't want to go in and, you know, somebody get hurt and everything like that. But it's a good project. You know, again, it's KeithJonesRealEstate.com. Follow us, and you'll be excited to see this project. Can't wait to see it. So I like the way the addition came out. So we started doing the addition and everything, and you know, this is going to be the master bedroom back here. If they can look up here, you can see this metal roof here. It's all old, it's rotten. They're taking it off now, and then we'll do all the plywood, and then we'll put on the paper, and then we'll start doing all that stuff. So it's gonna be a good project. We gotta cut back these trees. We're gonna start cutting, they start doing all the work, start cutting all these trees off. We already did, so we can start opening this up and seeing the house. It's gonna be looking good. But like I said, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm sorry. Man, hey, San Antonio, it's been a while since we've done this, but we're real people, so we're not gonna take that out. But Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, KeithJonesRealEstate.com, and look for more things to come.